problems we've had since this Liberal government has come in is they've reduced our revenue streams. I don't know how many of you drink here, but you know, if you purchase things from a private liquor store, that goes into the pockets of the owners. But if you purchase it from the public liquor store, that goes into government revenue, which is healthcare, education. It's a source of revenue. We have had our sources of revenue cut. One of the sources of revenues is the corporate tax rate that Nikki was alluding to. When Adrian Dix was running about how we would pay for this, he talked about reversing the most recent tax cut to corporations. Why do we have to be the lowest tax rate for corporations in the top 10, I would say, in the world for tax rate? It's just ridiculous. And what we get sold is that it's going to create jobs. Well, the latest numbers are out. We have the highest unemployment rate in the Western provinces. We got the lowest corporate tax rate, but we got so it doesn't, their logic doesn't line up. The stats just came out that we are actually going up in unemployment. So, you know, it's just like that HST promise, how it's going to generate so much jobs, and all those savings are going to be passed on to you. I don't know, hands up, how many got their savings passed on to them in the 2 years it's been in there? You know, I wasn't putting my hand up, I was just asking. Anyways, some of the things we need to look at is royalties, stumpage fees. What are we getting from these big corporations that are getting wealthy from our resources? We're a resource-based economy. We need to take advantage of that and get those revenues back so we do get our healthcare up and running. We do get our public education to the state where it's not they're amputating. I believe to use a quote from a friend that we're not cutting anymore, we're amputating, you know, in public education. There is ways to make the money there, and it's not on the back of consumers.